Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your assets for better features, lower fees, or just to diversify, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Uphold. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough to cover any network fees. Next, hop over to your Uphold account. Go to the Wallet section and find the specific crypto you're transferring. Click on Deposit or Receive to generate a wallet address. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully, as it's unique and case-sensitive. Pro tip: always verify the network type, like ERC20 for Ethereum, to avoid any transfer mishaps. Now, back to Coinbase. Head to the Send or Withdraw option for your selected crypto. Paste the Uphold wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the details. You'll see estimated fees here, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor setup for security. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, log back into Uphold and check your wallet to confirm the arrival of your funds. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always double-check before confirming. This process keeps evolving with new tech, so stay updated. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.